I don't know how this is going to go, but you should get an idea of what I'm doing anyway. You go, one rolled edge. Easy as that. Right, now to make it all denty, so it looks like I've worked it a lot. -3. There you go, hammered all over. Things get a little out of shape when you hammer it like that. And I've got to try and get it to fit in this cap, which I made earlier, which I shall also shape. As you can see, it's a bit, I don't know if you can see, it's not very round, and also it can go on. So you just adjust it a bit. There you go, fits, easy as that. Right, you have to put up with a bit of a wide angle on this. I did this already once and missed the whole bloody lot. That's a good shot. Cap needs to change the shape, make it more dished. Need to make it look a bit more like that one. You see that? More domed compared to flat. So easy enough to do. That in there, that. Give it a bit of a dinkle, just to help it get it going. And that's set. And then work it round.
I didn't know you were in the first place, actually, so we'll hope you had a great Christmas and a happy New Year.
And that gives it a nice hammered effect to make it more dished. The other downfall of that is, bugger where I put it.
The show, everyone was horrible to me because I'm lovely and brown.
It makes the cap that previously did fit really well
Listen, we've got a good show.
a lot
In a few minutes, we'll be having
too
a
big.
look in Sunday papers.
So you have to shape the sides down. But I'll show you how to do that in a minute.
Later on, Quentin Cooper will be going.
Here we go, freelance cap shaping. No measurements. This probably won't work because doing it for camera probably won't. Just to tap this down to get it to fit. Well, we're getting there, slowly. So you fold the edge down a bit, it's not very round at the minute. So anyway, that now fits on there, like that. Actually that went quite well considering the last one was a complete balls up. It's really technical. It's putting the slot in. So first to put the slot in you need a piece of broom handle and a lump of lead. The cap, roughly mark where the middle is. It is rough and all. There. And my little chisel, which is on here somewhere. Yes, there we go. Now put the cap on the lead, which sometimes is harder than you think. Bugger.
Prince Harry story.
And I think what struck by with this is how unsure the news of the world is about quite how big a story it is. I mean, obviously, if you look at the sort of the leader columns, it talks about his remarks being insensitive and disappointing, and but then it says that it's probably outrageous or shocking, and then says that it thinks the nation will want to be a likeable young man, and it's clearly a bit nervous about how much of a scandal this is, and possibly also how many of its readers will maybe sympathise.
And then you got a hole for the loop to go in. And what's really good about doing it like this is you can squeeze this little bit, and that grips on the side. You have to put a tiny amount of solder in. So that is pretty much it. That's all the technical bit anyway. I'm quite pleased with that. That was the last bit. But actually I'll show you how to make the loop. Because it's actually really simple, and I nicked the idea off the Indian bells that you've got. So first you need to find the slot you've hammered in. Mark off the distance you need the bit to be.
You know, what would the roof really fall in if politicians actually told the truth about the recession, which is to say that, you know, we don't actually know.
Mark it off with a straight edge.
All the big questions: how long it's going to last, what are we supposed to do about it, how much will house prices fall? The honest answer is, don't know really. And the best politicians can say is, you know, well, we're not sure if this is going to work, but it's worth giving it a shot. And Fraser, you know, says that Obama is planning to be a bit more.
I still haven't changed the radio station, as you may have noticed.
But I think it's just
so there you got a strip of copper.
You know, would it be terrifying
or
would it
bent.
be refreshing? Because everyone in public life said, you know what, I don't know.
He's in a position to do it because he's coming.
One strip of copper.
No one had really heard of him before 9 months.
Grip back where that line is, because I already worked out from all the other ones I've made. Bend it 90 degrees. Get a drill bit. Drill bit. Wrap that round the drill.
You know what? I don't know what I've been doing for the last 10 years.
And just squeeze.
We really will that.
Like it.
The great advantage for Obama is that he can say, well, the mess wasn't made on my watch, but you know, I'm going to do the best I can at clearing it up. But, you know, you wouldn't want to start from here, whereas that's not an option for Gordon Brown, who's instead pretend that he can save the world and everybody.
If you got the width right.
You know, and he becomes sort of Atlas, taking the weight of the world on his
Right, the
shoulders.
clapper bits. The loop you've seen me make. I've just drilled a hole in it and rounded it off. a ball bearing and some spring washers to make the chain out of. So I just silver solder one of the spring washers to the top of the ball and loop them through there, through here, and you have a clapper. Alright, so I'm going to silver solder the ring on the top now. May not look too bad. Right, work in progress, Mark 2 for today because I buggered the first one up. Right, here we go. Just got to heat the top up and solder that on. It's already a bit pre-soldered because I've ballsed up video on it. There is a bit more to do. I'm going to gas the light. So just got to heat that up a bit, melt the solder in, and that bit's done. Alright, that's got that.
So this is the second album, right? Yes.
Doesn't normally go that quick, I've already done it once before. Right, so once you've made it all, you've got to clean it. So I have my homemade buffer. I'll just polish this thing up and see what it looked like. Big cutting compound. Yeah, that does happen. There you go. One finished bell. Well, bit of a brush up with a bit of rag and that'll be done.